Let's get started with using the template I created. So instead of doing it from scratch, we will use this one here as mentioned in the first video. Navigate to this here using the link in the description, or Google this name and this name up here, and you should get located. It is set to public, so it should not be hidden from anyone. Click the green button, code. If you want to download a zip file, then you can just download it to the folder and then extract it there. You'll have it. I'm going to use git clone for this, so I'm going to copy this path here. And if you don't have it already, if you're using Git, you need to install Git, of course, to make sure you have this either here, or you can also just install GitHub Desktop if you prefer a user interface. Either one should be fine, or both. So here we're going to navigate to the folder we want to work with, and I guess I will just want to put it in here in the YouTube template so I know where everything is, separate it up. And in here I'm going to go new terminal, make sure I'm in the correct folder here, and I'm going to do a git clone and just paste in the path here. So this should clone down my repository here, and you can see it popped up here, and there's a new layer in here. And if I type ls or dir on a PC, you can see I am not currently in the folder, so make sure you navigate to this. This is really important, otherwise it won't work. So 20, 25, and then you tabulate button here, and then you can just make it autocomplete for you. Once we have this, you can see here there are no node modules folder. So when you upload to GitHub, it's going to ignore it with this file here. So it doesn't upload these like 30,000 plus files. It's just really annoying if everyone did that. So we need to install it. So make sure you're in the folder, npm install. That will download the node modules here. And once you have this, you can do an npm run dev. And that should boot up or create your virtual server on, for me, port this one. Depending on if you have more, then the number will just increase. And everything works for now. You can see here the different things, the dependencies that are already installed. So for example, if you click package.json here, you can see that if you scroll down a little bit, you can see we have auto prefixer, we have post CSS, we have Tailwind installed. So those things in the dependencies are already created, and it should work with the system here. And we can also see the Tailwind config here if you need to do stuff or add themes like dark and light mode, or change the distance between, for example, the padding and spacing is always 4, 8, 12 pixels. If you want to go 5, 10, you can change it in here and so on. But this is the standard setup, and now we're ready to continue in the next video.